one gauge. This is the piece that basically takes your bag to a tube. This is what seals up the bag. It's like some kind of putty. Oh, and this is my tubing. I thought I ordered 5 feet. I could have sworn I ordered like 25 feet, but whatever, I'll make do with this. My peel ply, the breather. I think this stuff essentially like absorbs all the resin. Vacuum bagging tube. I think this is just like the actual vacuum bag, the plastic that gets vacuumed. So this is the motor of the whole thing, the vacuum. And as you can see, it also doubles as my compressor. And this is where I got kind of creative. It was kind of interesting. I was looking for pumps, vacuum pumps, and I started recognizing, hey, this is the same one on this other compressor, and this whole compressor is only 120 bucks on Amazon. What I realized was this compressor has an intake. It's actually got 2 intakes, and then on this side, you have the exhaust lines that pump into the chamber here. That's the beautiful thing is like I have a air compressor and a vacuum pump all in one.
And if you're thinking about building one of these, there's a link in the description below to my Amazon store with all of these parts. So then I needed to take off the exhaust lines so that the air chamber doesn't fill up and turn off the compressor. So then I wanted to test out my pump, my flow regulator, and my gauge. So I just attached the gauge to the end of this line, which isn't how you would normally do it, but I just did it as a test. And it worked. It was awesome. And the flow regulator worked too. It wasn't as precise as I was hoping for, but it still worked. And the reason for that was because the connection from the gauge to the pipe wasn't actually totally sealed. So that was the only reason.